bright evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy, I'm truly honored to welcome you all to this exquisite inauguration and awards ceremony of our annual art exhibition 2025. A gathering that artists, art lovers, art enthusiasts across the Tri-City and beyond have been eagerly waiting with open hearts. The audience, आज हम कला के उत्सव में एक रूहानी लम्हा साझा करने के लिए यहाँ सब इकट्ठे हुए हैं। तो ये समझना बड़ा ज़रूरी है कि आखिर कला है क्या। हमारी आकांक्षाओं में कैद रूह अगर कहीं ताजगी महसूस करती है, कहीं रूहानी महसूस करती है, तो वो सिर्फ कला के आंगन या कलाओं से जुड़कर कर सकती है। जोश मलिहाबादी ने बहुत खूबसूरत लिखा है। वो कहते हैं, बेहोशियों ने और भी खबरदार कर दिया, सोई जो अकल रूह ने बेदार कर दिया। Well, truly, art lives where the mind lets go, where the boundary between you, between me, in a way erodes, it fades away. Art is everywhere, it's in everything, it is in us, it's in everyone. It belongs to you, it belongs to everyone, to you, to me, to the quite in between. Therefore, art truly becomes the breath of life. And today, together, we breathe both art and life as one. In this celebration of art, the audience of creativity of life, we have the presence of some very cherished souls here with us. I would first take a moment and warmly welcome them. I extend my warmest welcome to our Chief Guest, Shri Rajiv Verma, IAS Chief Secretary, UT Chandigarh. Sir, thank you so much for gracing this event with your benign presence. The audience, an applause, please. Thank you. We also have with us Madam Rachna. We wholeheartedly welcome you, ma'am. Thank you so much for adding so much charm and grace to this already colorful evening. The audience, we also welcome our guest of honor, Shri Mandeep Barar, IAS Home Secretary, cum Secretary Culture, UT Chandigarh. We wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. And definitely, Shri Saurabh Kumar Arora, PCS, Director Culture, Chandigarh Administration. We welcome you, sir. Thank you. A very warm welcome, definitely, to the art lovers of this city, sitting here in this auditorium, rooting for art and the artist. And most importantly, a very special welcome to all our award winners and their families. So, chaliye, the audience, yes, they truly deserve an applause. Thank you. So, chaliye, कला के कारवां को आगे बढ़ाएं. पहले कुछ देर के लिए कल की गलियों से हो गुजरते हैं. Dear ladies and gentlemen, before we leap into the magic of the present, let's take a moment and slip quietly into the past. So fasten your hearts, because we are about to rewind time and walk through the brushstrokes, the melodies, the moments that in a way have shaped this artistic year for us. We'll now have the presentation, so can I request somebody to please keep the lights off? Now this journey, I'll request all the lights should be switched off. Please switch off all the lights. We'll take you through a journey that the Academy has embarked upon to, in a way, deepen the purpose of art and the artist. Throughout the year, the Academy has invested, has truly engaged in activities in order to make the public realize what is the true significance of art. So we'll take you through this wonderful journey that we together have in a way lived. And now we'll have the presentation. the audience, this has been our celebrated, our spirited journey, counting, celebrating our humble efforts to make a difference in the world of art. Well, this presentation basically is a celebration of the moments that we've walked, the beauty that we've in a way created together, and today we are together yet again to create a beautiful moment. On this note, I will now request Shri Bhim Malhotra, Chairman, Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy, to grace the stage and address the August gathering.
So, good evening everyone. Respected Chief Secretary Shri Rajiv Verma ji, IAS Shri Mandeep Brar ji, IAS Home Secretary and Secretary Culture, UT Chandigarh, and Shri Saurabh Kumar Arora ji, PCS Director Culture Affairs, all the member of Academy, city artists, art lovers, students and faculty of GCA and CCA, and the star of the days, all award winners. So and Rachana Verma ji, I welcome you. Rachana Verma ji को भी आर्ट का बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. So I have seen your arts and all the award winners. और हमारे स्पेशल दो आज के सीनियर आर्टिस्ट हैं, DS कपूर जी और देवेंद्र जी. तो देवेंद्र जी तो इस टाइम USA में है, तो उनकी जगह पे गुरदीप धीमान जी हैं, प्रेसिडेंट पंजाब ललित कला अकेडमी. उन्हें हमें लेटर दिया कि वो उनका अवार्ड वो ले लेंगे. सो आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. तो जो छोटा सा जो हमारा एफर्ट था कि ऑलमोस्ट 12 महीनों को हमने 12 मिनट्स में दिखाने की कोशिश की है. तो जो हमारा 2024 से 25 वो इवेंट हमने दिखाए हैं, कुछ इवेंट हमने छोड़ भी दिए हैं इसमें. तो जो आज का जो हमारा इवेंट है एनुअल आर्ट एग्जीबिशन, उसकी मैं आपको थोड़ा सा डिटेल देना चाहूँगा कि ये हमारा एनुअल आर्ट इवेंट होता है. इसमें इस बार हमें 480 एंट्रीज आई थी. 480 एंट्रीज में 162 काम सेलेक्ट हुए, और उसमें से जो जूरी हमारी राजस्थान से थे, मिस्टर विनय शर्मा जयपुर से, मिस्टर कविता नायर इमिनेंट प्रिंट मेकर फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली, श्री रोबिन डेविड स्कल्पचर फ्रॉम भोपाल. दीज वर 3 इमिनेंट जूरी मेंबर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया. तो उन्होंने टोटल 162 काम सेलेक्ट किए. और देयर आर सो मैनी न्यू थिंग्स आई वांट टू शेयर दिस टाइम इन दिस स्पेशल एग्जीबिशन. इस बार हमने 2 दिव्यांग कैटेगरी भी रखी है, तो उसमें हमने उनको भी अवार्ड दिए. तो उसमें जो है इस बार का जो स्पेशल अट्रैक्शन ये है कि नॉर्मली हमारे काम सेलेक्ट होते थे 80-90, लास्ट ईयर हमारे 120 हुए थे. इस बार हमने 162 काम सेलेक्ट किए हैं. तो जूरी ने बोला कि तो हमने बोला क्यों ना मैक्सिमम आर्टिस्ट को हम इनक्रेज करें. उसकी एक गैलरी तो ऊपर है हमारी, एक हमने नीचे को और गैलरी इस बार ली है फर्स्ट टाइम, ताकि मैक्सिमम आर्टिस्टों को इनक्रेजमेंट मिल सके, मैक्सिमम आर्टिस्टों का काम सेलेक्ट हो सके, तो बेस्ट पॉसिबल जूरी की नज़र में. तो इस बार हमारे 30-35 काम हमने ज़्यादा सेलेक्ट किए हैं, ताकि मैक्सिमम आर्टिस्ट को काम डिस्प्ले करने का मौका मिल सके. और जो हमारे इस बार थे, जो ये एग्जीबिशन है, ये एग्जीबिशन हम बाहर भी लेके जाते हैं. यहाँ से लास्ट टाइम अभी आपने प्रेजेंटेशन में देखा होगा, जनवरी 19 से 23 हमारा ऑल इंडिया फाइन आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट सोसाइटी न्यू दिल्ली, वहाँ हमारा शो लगा था. इट वाज हाईली अप्रिसिएटेड. जब हमें पता चलता है जब हम घर से बाहर निकलते हैं कि आपकी कितनी वैल्यू है. तो मैं ये शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि पीपल लाइक चंडीगढ़ आर्टिस्ट. सो हमें बहुत अच्छा, वी गोट एक्सीलेंट रिस्पॉन्स इन चंडीगढ़, इन दिल्ली, नॉट ओनली इन दिल्ली. इससे पहले हम जवाहर कला केंद्र जयपुर, भारत भवन भोपाल, रीजनल सेंटर लखनऊ और ये रीजनल ललित कला अकेडमी सेंटर दिल्ली, वहाँ भी हम हर साल ये शो बाहर जाता है. तो इस बार भी ये वाला शो हम ट्राई करें कि इंडिया हैबिटेट सेंटर न्यू दिल्ली में लगे शो ये. तो इस शो में ये होता है कि कई ऐसे आर्टिस्ट होते हैं बेचारे बाहर, उनको डिस्प्ले करने का चांस ही नहीं मिलता. तो हमारी इस एग्जीबिशन के थ्रू बहुत सारे नए आर्टिस्ट, उनको बाहर डिस्प्ले करने का चांस मिल जाता. उनका कोई पैसे खर्च नहीं होते, खाली चांस नहीं मिलता. और मैं आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर, इन बच्चों के काम भी वहाँ सोल्ड हो जाते हैं. मुझे याद है जब हमारा दिल्ली जवाहर कला केंद्र में शो हुआ था, एक बच्चे का ऑलमोस्ट 70,000 का काम बिका. वी स्टेट वे गिव टू द आर्टिस्ट, नो एकेडमी उसमें कुछ नहीं कुछ करती. तो ईश्वर की कृपा से हमारा कोई भी झोली खाली नहीं गई है। तो हर बार कोई ना कोई काम, बच्चों के काम सीनियर आर्टिस्ट के वहाँ सोल्ड हो ही जाते हैं। मतलब कि वी हैव वेरी गुड रेपुटेशन और हमारे आर्टिस्ट का काम बड़ा लाइक किया जाता है बाहर। ये इवन भारत भवन भोपाल में जब हमने शो किया था, वहाँ उन्होंने खुद बोल दिया कि प्लीज़ इसको 10 दिन और एक्सटेंड करो। हम तो गए थे हफ्ता 10 दिन के लिए, 10 दिन और एक्सटेंड हुआ वहाँ पे। तो दिस टाइप ऑफ इमेज वी हैव क्रिएटेड अमंग द आर्ट सर्कल इन इंडिया। और जो हमारे थोड़ा समय, जो हमारे 3 अवार्ड हैं प्रोफेशनल कैटेगरी के 50,000 ईच, और उसमें फिर मेरिट अवार्ड 7 मेरिट अवार्ड 20,000 ईच, और फिर 2 हमारे स्पेशल अवार्ड हैं। एक ये हमारे अभिषेक गुप्ता हैं, उनकी मासी स्पेशल यूएसए से आई है जस्ट टू अटेंड दिस सेरेमनी। हैट्स ऑफ टू यू। ये बैठे हैं इधर, ये तो स्पेशल एबल्ड आर्टिस्ट हैं। इनका दूसरे जो हैं हमारे एक और आर्टिस्ट हैं, और दूसरे हमारे आर्ट कॉलेज के हैं। तो तीसरा जो हमारा जो स्कॉलरशिप है, जो हमारा जो 2-3 इवेंट ऐसे हैं जो पूरे इंडिया में कोई एकेडमी नहीं कर रही है। वी आर ओनली डूइंग, जो हमारे स्कॉलरशिप हैं, जैसे हम बाहर विजिट टू गैलरी जो म्यूजियम एंड आर्ट गैलरी जो पेरिस, रोम, वेनिस, इस बार हम फ्लोरेंस भी लेके जा रहे हैं इनको। तो हर बार कुछ ना कुछ चेंज होता है। तो लास्ट टाइम लंदन गए थे, तो खाली ये बच्चे वहाँ जाते नहीं हैं, आके अपना एक्सपीरियंस भी शेयर करते हैं। आपने देखा होगा प्रेजेंटेशन होती है इनकी, प्रॉपर इंटरेक्टिव सेशन इनका हम रखते हैं कि आपने क्या वहाँ पे। और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि जो बच्चे बाहर से जाते हैं, उनका जब यहाँ से आते हैं, उनका सारा मेंटल फ्रेम चेंज हुआ मिलता है, क्योंकि वो इंटरनेशनल आर्ट देख के आते हैं। और बेचारे ऐसे कई आर्टिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने बेचारों ने एयरपोर्ट नहीं देखा, एरोप्लेन पर नहीं चढ़े, सीधा दिल्ली से पेरिस की फ़्लाइट। तो ऐसे लोगों को भी हमारी एकेडमी चांस देती है, जूरी सेलेक्ट करती है। वन थिंग मोर एडिड दिस टाइम टूर, कि इस बार एक स्पेशल एबल्ड बच्चा भी गया। उस बेचारे को बोलने में भी प्रॉब्लम थी, सुनने में भी प्रॉब्लम थी, उसको भी हम लेके गए उसको। उसके लिए भी एक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस था। उसके फादर भी साथ गए थे अपने उस पे खर्चे पे। तो इस टाइप का एक्सपीरियंस वी गिव चांस टू एवरीवन। तो ये वाला हमारा बड़ा एक्सक्लूसिव, एक हमारा ओपन एंड आर्ट स्टूडियोज हैं, उसमें हमारे वो मशीनें हम अवार्ड में देते हैं, वो भी इंडिया में कोई एकेडमी नहीं कर रही है। बाकी जो अमृता शेरगिल सम्मान है, वो अभी तक हम शहर में 31 आर्टिस्टों को दे चुके हैं, जो हम 2 सीनियर आर्टिस्ट आज देंगे। मिस्टर DS कपूर, इन्होंने पूरा आर्ट एंड हेरिटेज ऑफ इन्होंने लिखा है चंडीगढ़ का आर्ट के ऊपर, बड़ी रेयर बुक है। आई थिंक 5 किलो वेट है उसका। बड़ा इन्होंने मेहनत की और बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं। और उसके बाद हमारे देवेंद्र जी हैं, वो भी बड़ा यूनिक फोटोग्राफी करते हैं। मैं देख रहा था जैसे ही हम इन दोनों का हमने फेसबुक पे डाला, 200-250-300 कमेंट थ्रू आउट इंडिया, ओवरसीज, इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स, मतलब कि पीपल लाइक देम। कि और आगे हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं यहाँ से शेयर कर रहा हूँ। हमने इतने आर्टिस्टों को ऑनर कर लिया है सेलेक्ट कर करके, तो आगे हमें मुझे लगता है आगे हमें दिक्कत होने वाली है, क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारे आर्टिस्टों को ऑनर कर दिया। अब हम थोड़ा सा यंगर स्लॉट को लेने जा रहे हैं नेक्स्ट ईयर से, क्योंकि सीनियर तो ऑलमोस्ट जो काम करने वाले थे हमने क्लियर कर ही दिए हैं। मतलब कि अब जो 50 अबाव 50, ये अबाव 60 वाले थे, अब जो देवेंद्र जी से 80s वाले हैं, तो अब हमारे पास काफ़ी हमने कवर कर लिया। मतलब कि जो सीनियर आर्टिस्ट को हम ऑनर कर रहे हैं। तो इसके बाद में आर्ट टीचर एग्जीबिशन, प्रेस फोटोग्राफर एग्जीबिशन, देयर आर सो मैनी थिंग्स वी आर डूइंग, थोड़ा डिफरेंट मैनर। और जो स्कूल प्रोग्राम है हमारा, उसके बाद हमारे तो काफ़ी सारे थैंक्स हैं, जैसे पंजाब ललित कला अकेडमी के प्रेसिडेंट हैं गुरदीप दीवान हैं, और हमारे शहर के आर्टिस्ट हैं जो हमें दिल से चाहते हैं, दिल से प्यार करते हैं उनसे। और हमारे जो सर बैठे हैं, राजीव वर्मा जी, मैडम हमारे मनदीप बरार जी, सौरभ अरोड़ा जी, they are always very encouraging, and thank you very much sir for your encouragement, freedom and support. आज मैं सुबह सर के साथ, मनदीप बरार जी के साथ हम थोड़ा 10-15 मिनट हमने शेयर किए, मुझे बड़ी एनर्जी आ गई इनसे बात करके। तो ही इज़ वेरी ओपन टू द आइडियाज़ एंड एवरीथिंग्स। तो देयर आर सो मैनी। तो चंडीगढ़ इज लक्की कि यहाँ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सारा एकेडमियों के साथ है। दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिव टू द आर्ट एंड आर्टिस्ट। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर फॉर ऑल द सपोर्ट एंड इंकरेजमेंट। और उसके बाद में हमारा जो मीडिया है उसका भी मैं थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा। मीडिया भी हमारे साथ, हमारा साथ देता है। और हमारा स्टाफ है, हमारा स्टाफ ललित कला अकेडमी का स्टाफ है, श्रुति है जो अभी यहाँ कंपेयरिंग कर रही थी, शिल्पी अरोड़ा है, सुभाष है, मोनू है, हमारे ललित कला अकेडमी के मेंबर हैं, रविंदर शर्मा है, कमल पाल है, महेश जी हैं, विशाल जी हैं, रविंदर जी हैं, तो देर आर सो, और आप सब आर्टिस्ट हो, तो आप सब हमारे साथ हैं। मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है जब ललित कला अकेडमी का नाम पूरे इंडिया में जहाँ भी हम जाते हैं तो हमें बड़ा अच्छे वहाँ पे रिव्यू मिलते हैं। सो मैं पूरे दिल से चंडीगढ़ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का, आप सर, आप सबका, तो पूरे दिल से आप सबका मैं तहे दिल से थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा कि आप यहाँ पे आए और हमारा और आज के प्रोग्राम को आप आगे नेक्स्ट हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thank you so much, sir, for your ever-inspiring words. Well, sir's vision has been our compass and his dedication, the wind in our sails. We couldn't have asked for a better, more passionate, more capable captain on this journey. Once again, thank you so much, sir. And now, dear audience, we arrive at the most awaited segment of today's event, that is the Honours Conferment Ceremony. Well, they say passionate souls, when they tirelessly stretch their arms towards excellence, towards perfection, their efforts don't go unnoticed. They never are forsaken, for the universe observes them, sees them, and then rewards them. So we are delegated the job to award these passionate souls today. You have breathed life into canvas, into stone, into thought, and now it's our turn to, in a way, reward, honor your spirited efforts. So to grace this special moment, I will request our esteemed dignitaries to please kindly come forward. I'd request our chief guest for the event, Shri Rajiv Verma, IAS, Chief Secretary, UT Chandika, Madam Rachna Verma, to please accompany us. I'd also request our guest of honor, Shri Mandeep Barar, IAS, Home Secretary, cum Secretary Culture, UT Chandika, Shri Saurabh Kumar Arora, PCS, Director Culture, Chandigarh Administration, accompanied by Shri Bhim Malhotra, to please come on the stage and felicitate our award winners. The audience, we start our ceremony by awarding the young, the budding artist. In the student category, we have 10 award winners, 5 of whom will take back home a cash award of rupees 25,000 each, and 5 others who are the merit award winners will be awarded with a cash award of 10,000 each. So let's begin with the ceremony. Our first award winner is artist Kanika Verma from Government College of Art. Artist Kanika Verma. She is awarded with a cash award of rupees 25,000. The audience, I would also like to see a little more spirit and energy in your applause. These artists have worked there, have sincerely worked, put their heart and soul into what they've created, and today it is their moment to shine. Next is artist Abhijit Das. Abhijit Das from Government College of Art. These are our young aspiring artists. Artist Das also takes back home a cash award of rupees 25,000. He's also been awarded with a cash award of rupees 25,000. Our next award winner is artist Ritika Verma. Artist Ritika Verma. Artist Ritika Verma is also from Government College of Art, and she is also given a cash award of rupees 25,000. Our next award winner is artist Pancham Gaur. Artist Pancham, yes. She's also from Government College of Art, and she's awarded with a cash award of rupees 25,000. Artist Pancham Gaur. These artists, the audience, pour their heart, their soul into what they create, and today it's their moment to shine. So we'll duly give them the reward that they deserve. Our next award winner is artist Sumanpreet Kaur. Sumanpreet Kaur, a student of Government College of Art, and she also takes back home a cash award of rupees 25,000. And now I will be announcing the name of the Merit Award winners. We first have artist Akanksha Sharma, also a student of Government College of Art. Akanksha is awarded a Merit Award of rupees 10,000. Our next award winner is artist Dipanshi Arora. Dipanshi Arora is a student of Chandigarh College of Architecture, and she takes back home a cash award of rupees 10,000 in form of a Merit Award. We move forward. Next award winner is Sanpreet Singh, artist Sanpreet Singh. Now, this is the applause I was talking about. Artist Sanpreet Singh, a student of Government College of Art, wins a Merit Award of rupees 10,000. I would expect the same enthusiasm for every award winner now, right? All right, our next award winner is artist Shivam Gulati. Artist Shivam Gulati is a student of Government College of Art. Wins a Merit Award of rupees 10,000. And now, dear audience, we come to a truly inspiring moment of this evening. The Special Jury Award honors artists who have turned their challenges into their strength and their strength into breathtaking art. So let's welcome and celebrate them with respect and the applause that they truly deserve. The special award, which is awarded to artist Abhishek Gupta. Artist Abhishek Gupta. Their courage, their creativity, in a way, has broken barriers and touched many hearts. Their heart speaks that art has no limitation. Their vision certainly is limitless, and we take this moment to honor, applaud, and appreciate their spirited efforts. We have here with us artist Abhishek Gupta, who wins a Special Jury Award for Specially Abled Artists and a cash award of rupees 10,000. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for gifting us this wonderful moment. Our next award winner in this particular category is artist Subodh Kumar Giri. Artist Subodh Kumar Giri from Government College of Art. Artist Giri also wins the Special Jury Award for Specially Abled Artists. He takes back home a cash award of rupees 10,000. They have turned their challenge into canvas and their limitation into light, and we truly respect and appreciate their efforts. The audience, we now move to the professional category, where we have 10 award winners, 3 of whom will take back a cash award of 50,000 each, and 7 others, who are the Merit Award winners, will be awarded with a cash award of 20,000 each. We first have with us artist Vishal Rawat. Artist Vishal Rawat. He takes back home a cash award of rupees 50,000 for his creation titled Aura. Our next award winner is artist Reena Bhatnagar. Artist Bhatnagar also takes back home a cash award of rupees 50,000 for her creation Untitled One in mixed media. Next we have artist Pankaj Saroj. Artist Pankaj Saroj is also awarded with a cash award of rupees 50,000 for his painting titled The applause says it all. a passionate teacher, an equally passionate artist, artist Pankaj Saroj. Next we have artist Poonam Rana. She is awarded the Merit Award of Rs 20,000 for her creation in woodcut titled Myself, My Life. Artist Poonam Rana, the audience. Our next award winner is artist Kulvinder Singh. Artist Kulvinder Singh also wins a Merit Award of Rs 20,000 for his creation titled Protectors Isn't Protected Anymore. Our next award winner is artist Bharti Vandana. Artist Bharti Vandana. She wins a Merit Award of Rs 20,000 for her creation Cityscape The Unwinding. Our next award winner is artist Sarjeet Singh, wins a Merit Award of Rs 20,000. Sarjeet Singh, artist Sarjeet Singh, wins a Merit Award of Rs 20,000. Our next award winner is artist Tarvinder Singh. He is also awarded with a Merit Award of Rs 20,000 for his creation titled Abyss of Distorted Souls. Our next award winner is artist Ranjan Kumar Malik. Artist Ranjan Kumar Malik. He's also been awarded with a Merit Award and a cash award of Rs 20,000 for his creation titled Symphony 1. Thank you, sir. Dear audience, I will now only verbally be calling out the names of the artists who've been awarded the Open Hand Art Studios residency. I'll request them to please be seated on their seats. I'll just be calling out their names. So these artists have been awarded Open Hand Art Studios residency for a year. The artists are artist Akanksha Sharma from Government College of Art, artist Prerna Puri, also from Government College of Art, artist Mohammad Sufia from Government College of Art, and from the professional category we have artist Danish Khan. So a huge round of applause for all our award winners. And now, dear audience, we come to the presentation of the Amrita Shergill Award, an honor that is bestowed upon artists who've completely devoted their life to the purpose of art, to the world of art. And the Academy, in a way, takes immense pleasure to confer this award on two senior artists this year, artist Devender and artist T.S. Kapoor, for their lifelong devotion to art. I'd first request artist Devender. Well, he's not here with us, but we have artist Diman. Says here with us? Yes. Sir will be receiving the award on Devender sir's behalf. Although he warrants no introduction, but I'll read out some portion in order to introduce the artist. Artist Devender, a distinguished photographer from Muktsar, Punjab, has spent over 4 decades capturing the extraordinary within the ordinary. A former faculty member at Punjab University, Chandigarh, he began his artistic journey in 1975, transforming photograph into a soulful medium of storytelling. He's renowned for blending technical brilliance with deep emotional insight. Sir's photographs, they explore nature, human emotion, and the beauty of time. His solo exhibitions have been hosted at esteemed venues such as Triveni Gallery, New Delhi, Punjab University Museum of Art, Punjabi University, Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy, and the Underpass Gallery, Chandigarh. Sir's photographs, they invite reflection, evoke wonder, and celebrates life's quiet moments, and his legacy in a way continues to inspire photographs and art enthusiasts across the world. We're truly honored to present this honor to him. Another round of applause to the audience for artist Devender. Our next award winner for Amrita Shergill Award is artist D.S. Kapoor. I'd request sir to please come up on the stage. Sir is a third-generation artist and visionary. He bridges two iconic institutions, Mayo School of Art, which is now in Lahore, and Government College of Art, Chandigarh, where he served as student, as faculty, and also as principal. He revitalized art education by introducing computer graphics, initiating the college archives, and curating impactful events like the Diamond Jubilee celebration. His significant contributions as Dean at the State University of Performing and Visual Arts, Rohtak, as founder director of the National Institute of Design, Kurukshetra, are certainly an effort to make Indian youth a global icon. We are truly honored to present this award to artist D.S. Kapoor. Thank you so much, sir, for leaving behind such a rich legacy. Before we do that, we'll just take a moment to honor our team members. They say it takes a dedicated, a passionate team to bring together such passionate people and create such glorious moments. So we'll take a moment and honor our team members. We first have with us Mrs. Shilpi Arora. She is truly a pillar of strength, of sincerity. What stands about her the most is the warmth she brings. She always greets everyone with a smile that's simply so contagious. So let's dedicate this moment to her. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here with us. Next we have is Mr. Subhash Chand. Mr. Subhash Chand, well, he has been a long-standing part of the Academy's journey. Very calm, composed, and ever reliable. There's hardly a challenge that he hasn't very gracefully handled. We're truly proud to have him as part of the team, and I myself am very fortunate to be part of the Selka team, so yes. Up next is a moment of pride. We'll take a moment to unleash creativity. We now move towards the official release of the 2025 catalogue that in a way features the year's award-winning paintings. Can we have the catalogue, please? We now have the release of the catalogue. This catalogue basically is a testament to talent, to vision, to creative excellence, and it preserves the very spirit that has, in a way, motivated artists, inspired artists to create breathtaking artworks. So we take a moment to preserve their spirit, the spirit of each stroke, each story behind these artworks. Within these pages lie works that speak of vision, of dedication, of passion, and certainly of artistic excellence. The audience will now say thanks to those people who've made this evening so special for each one of us. They say give thanks to those who become the rain and water the flowers of your soul. And today we are deeply touched and so grateful to our esteemed dignitaries for gracing this event, making our heart shine with so much joy. So I'll first request Sri Mandeep Barar, IAS Home Secretary, cum Secretary Culture, UT Chandigarh, to please honor our chief guest for the occasion, Sri Rajiv Verma, IAS Chief Secretary, UT Chandigarh. Do we have artist Prabhinder Lal? I'll request sir to please come forward. We are presenting a very beautiful painting from sir's collection to our chief guest. I request Barar sir to please present this memento. It's our token of love, gratitude, and respect to our guest. Thank you so much for being here with us. Well, adding light to this day with her gracious presence is Madam Rachna Verma, and we'll also take a moment to honor ma'am for her presence here with us today. I'd request Barar sir to please present a memento in form of a beautiful painting that in a way captures ma'am's ethereal beauty. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here with us. I will now request Sri Saurabh Kumar Arora, PCS Director Culture, to please present a memento to our guest of honor, Sri Mandeep Barar, IAS Home Secretary, cum Secretary Culture, UT Chandigarh. Well, sir has motivated us, has inspired us in various ways. I'd request Kapoor sir to please come forward. This painting happens to be Kapoor sir's creation, so it'll be great if he joins us to celebrate this moment. And then finally, request Shri Bhim Malhotra to come forward and honor, felicitate Shri Saurabh Kumar Arora, PCS Director Culture. Sir has always had our back through thick and thin. He has inspired us to create spaces for us to promote art and the artist. We are forever grateful to him. The audience, we also have a very beautiful book that is put together, curated and crafted by Professor D.S. Kapoor. The title of the book is History and Heritage of Government College of Art, Chandigarh and Mayo School's Post-Colonial Cousin in India. Well, this thick book, in a way, captures the remarkable, vibrant journey of art education, which captures 150 years of artistic discovery, of cultural evolution and academic dedication. We present this copy to our chief guest and to all other guests. And now they say words, they carry immense power, and when spoken by a person of wisdom and stature, they resonate evermore. So I'll invite our chief guest for the occasion, Sri Rajiv Verma, IAS Chief Secretary, UT Chandigarh, to please share his glorious words with all of us. Sir. Thank you, sir.
A very good evening to all. Shri Mandeep Singh Brar, Secretary Culture, Shri Saurabh Arora, Director Culture, Shri Bhim Malhotra, Chairman Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy, Shri Ravinder Sharma, Vice Chairman Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy, all the esteemed artists present here today, the art lovers, ladies and gentlemen. It is both an honor and a pleasure to be amidst such a distinguished gathering on the occasion of the inauguration of the annual art exhibition. An event that not only celebrates the creative spirit but also reaffirms the enduring power of art in shaping our society. In a world that moves increasingly fast, where voices grow louder but understanding grows thinner, art remains our most tender but potent mode of connection. My wholehearted appreciation for Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy under the visionary chairmanship of Shri Bhim Malhotra and his dedicated team for their tireless efforts and unwavering commitment in making the Academy as a beacon of cultural excellence, not just within the Tri-City, but across the nation. Their continued initiatives have significantly elevated the profile of visual arts and provided a vital platform for artists of all generations. It gives me immense pleasure to note that Academy is providing scholarships to aspiring artists to visit art galleries and museums in the West. The Academy's efforts to organize exchange exhibition with other countries are also truly commendable, as they foster cultural exchange, promote artistic collaboration, and provide valuable exposure to diverse artistic perspectives. The annual art exhibition stands as one of the most prestigious and eagerly awaited cultural events in the region. This year, as was just told now, the response has been truly remarkable. 243 artists submitting 480 works, with 162 works selected for the final exhibition. This speaks volumes about the thriving artistic ecosystem that we are fortunate to witness. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the award winners, professionals, students, and Divyang artists alike. Your talent, perseverance, and originality are commendable. To be recognized by a jury of such eminent stature is no small achievement. I must also express appreciation for the Academy's inclusive vision, one that honors senior artists such as Shri D.S. Kapoor and Shri Devinder. The conferment of the Amrita Shergill Samman upon them is a richly deserved tribute to their lifelong dedication to the enrichment of India's visual culture. The exhibited works ranging across painting, sculpture, photography, and printmaking reflect not only a diversity of media, but also a depth of engagement with personal, social, and contemporary realities. They urge us to pause, to feel, to reflect, sometimes offering us answers and sometimes better questions. Ladies and gentlemen, art is the conscience of a civilization. It preserves memory, nurtures imagination, and provokes dialogue. And when cultivated with integrity, art becomes a quiet force that strengthens the moral and emotional fabric of a nation. In celebrating and supporting art, we invest in empathy. In nurturing culture, we nourish citizens. A nation's true progress is not measured merely by the economic indices, but also by its ability to cultivate sensitivity, imagination, and expression among its people. और मेरा ये मानना है कि जहाँ शब्द चूक जाते हैं, वहाँ कला ही बोलती है. As we look forward, let us remember that no nation can move forward without carrying its cultural soul with it. It is through events such as this and through the commitment of the institutions like Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy that we safeguard our cultural heritage while inspiring new generations to dream, create, and lead. I once again congratulate all the participating artists, awardees, and the organizers for this remarkable initiative. May the spirit of art continue to flourish and illuminate the path of national development. And to all the participating artists, I say, when the world forgets to feel, the artist must remind it. Thank you. Jai Hind.